Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today is February 14th. Yes, February 14th. Like, this is the day where you go everywhere and you see everybody in red and white. Literally, the road is painted in red and white. And I know a lot of you may celebrate the day, a lot of you may not celebrate the day, or like me, I don't care about the day. But today I just, think I should do a try on Valentine's Day outfit on. Yeah. And the reason why I want to do this is because I have clothes that I've never worn before, and I think it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. And if you see me that this later, just know say yeah, nobody judge me, my clothes me bite. But yeah, so come on into my closet and let's see the ideas that I have for Valentine's Day for you. So you guys, I'm gonna tell you where I got these stuff from, and you can mix and match. Yeah, and tell me what you think about the outfit. And yeah, I'm in my robe today. As you see, I'm in my robe. So this can be, the start of the morning for all those who out there are married. As for me, I am not married. So I'll be here just trying on clothes, just to occupy my mind. And guys, remember, don't just wait on one day, just one day to show love. You're supposed to show love every day. Every day you're supposed to show love. And can you imagine God just showing us love one day? Like, we go to him with our prayers and he's like, it's not February 14, you don't need nothing, wait until February 14, you get whatever you need. Can you imagine that? Like God loves us every day. So guys, this is my simple wardrobe and I hope you like it. Yeah. Nessa's World. Alright, so guys, this is the first look. If you want something very simple, classy, and you don't want to wear red and white, you can wear blue, And my foot is not shaved, but oh well. And then you can match with your bag, Tell me what you think about this outfit, Alright, so as you can see, all I did was to change the bottom, and it's gonna work, right? So if you don't want to wear red and white, always wear blue and white. Yeah. Then you have your bag along with it. You can also wear your white belt. You can wear a black belt to match whatever. Alright, so if all I did now was just to change the top. So if you want to be casual and in your red and white, this is the top to go. I had this top for about 10 years now. 10 years. And it's pretty, nice, classy. So you can wear this. You can also dress it up with the white heels and your white bag, and you're good to go, right? Good to go. So this is the top. It's kind of cut off shoulder. You have a few buttons right here. And yeah, you dress it up with the heels, you fold it, you leave it out if you want, but yeah, that's that. So here's an outfit. You don't want to go all out, but you also want to look good, and you want to be casual and elegant at the same time. Yeah, so this shirt is always a go-to if you want to look very classy, you know, get something with the bling. And then casual, the jeans are something you put on a blazer, then you're good to go, you know, good to go. Good to go. Alright, so every girl should have a little black dress in their closet. Now, if you don't want to wear red, if you want to look, you know, elegant, sexy and all that, you know, wear that little black dress. And I can't zip up the back, but that's how the back is looking. It's very sexy, elegant. You can dress it with any apparels you want. And you can choose to keep it simple depending on the shoes and the bags you wear. But yeah. This is my little black dress. And I can wear a clutch. I can wear any type of clutch. I can wear a black clutch. So if I'm supposed to go out tonight, this is one of the dresses I'll wear. I absolutely love the dress. This is from Fashion Nova. Look how it complements my body. Yeah. This is absolutely sexy and elegant. I absolutely love it. I'm just waiting for that day to wear it because I've never worn it before. But yeah. This is... Ooh, sad. Now, if you want to wear red and elegant and sexy, and you want something that hugs your body together, now this is the dress for you. Look at the back details. Look at that. You know, obviously you won't be wearing any bra with it, but look at the back. Look at how it complements my body. So this would be my next dress that I'll wear today if I get asked out on a date, which I highly doubt it. But yeah, this is from Fashion Nova as well. Never been worn. Waiting for that special day. But yeah, here you go. Here you have it. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Let me know what you think about the outfit. Let me know if you think if I selected the right one, you know, just in case you want to be in red, or you don't want to be in red, you want to be casual, you want to be elegant, or you just want to be semi-formal, you know. Let me know. So I hope you guys have a great happy Valentine's, and if you don't receive nothing, just remember that God already give him life, yes, so nobody no need to give you nothing. And once you have life, you know, you have everything, because a lot of the person didn't wake up to see today and you did. So be grateful. And thank you guys for always watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And thank you guys for watching. You know, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. You know, comment, tell me what you think about the outfit, you know. Yeah, if you want to ask me on a date, you know, ask me. Maybe I'll say yes, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.